Right now, let me show you how you can disable Reels on your Facebook using your Android. This is how it works. If you're new here and first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, inside of your Facebook app, you can do some things like obviously make sure that you don't have like the Reels readily available to you, right? So you can kind of like reorganize it. If you go to these settings, you can change the tab bar and kind of like change it and make sure that you customize it so it doesn't like show the Reels to you. Perhaps you click on Reels and click on the hide option, right? So you have that ability so it doesn't like stand in the way, right? But there are also like deeper methods than this. For example, there is an app which you can download from the Google Play Store and it's called Undoomed, and it's like designed for that particular purpose. You can open it up and set up like filters, right? So you can click on the filters, and for example, you have the F icon as such. You can tap on the hide Reels and watch. You can enable it, right? And you can see that there are some options on how it could work. So, the point is that through a third-party app, you have much deeper control over it, and you can kind of like change the functionality of some apps. So I definitely recommend you to check it out. It depends on how deep you want to go with it, because if you just want to hide it from the side, you can use the built-in Facebook settings. But this is a bit different, so you as well have the ability to explore this option. So let me know in the comments below if you found what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later in the next videos as well.